because we can take clips of it. I was really curious. Can you see it there or not?
I can see it.
Can you magnify? Hit 3. So right there is where I'm going to weld it. So center the picture in that.
Okay.
Okay. Now I wonder if we can actually see me doing it. It is recording, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you actually see that?
Yeah.
So here we are building up a link. It is just completely worn through. Actually, this wasn't the worst one. So if you ever want to know what laser welding looks like, this is it. Yeah, so see how thin this link is? Can you see that, Morgan?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I'm looking through a scope, and Morgan's helping me hold the camera in place so we can see what we're doing here. So we can actually go in there. Yeah, that's hot. I need my high-tech jewelry holder.
A clothespin.
So we can actually go in there and fill in this gap. So she can get lots more life out of it.
It's pretty cool that you can tell that it's being welded because there's like steam coming off of it, but you can't actually see the laser, like the beam of the laser.
You can't see the flash or anything?
No. So it's like you can tell something's happening, but...
So we're going to continue, but that gives you a pretty good idea of what we're doing when we're building these up.
Yeah.